Yo, what is up my dudes? It's your boy, your god, Reason/Coos with another video. Today is actually supposedly a special day because today is Noe's birthday. He has not been in a single video. Today we're gonna see him. You guys, this whole video is pretty much dedicated to Noe. Oh yeah, we're going to a night, which we've gone a lot of times, but I never really recorded there.
I am very crazy, since your desire just like your love, go on and go. Very tasty.
Alright, birthday boy, this is the first vlog you're on. You know the way, Noe? I think should we let Noe be the leader?
My mom was right. I had to pull out my fence.
Oh, Brad. Ooh, that's a skyline. Oh no, it's not. That's a ricer. That's what it is. Kiki, do you love me? I feel like they move this every time. Why?
Hurry up, bro. Alright, so pretty much we're gonna like sell the bikes like if like they were stolen, and we're gonna take this bike, the mountain bike, and my bike, and put it all the way over there. Pretty much. Hurry up, bro. Nah. Take it. Okay, hold it.
Oh, god damn it.
Why? What happened?
We were gonna make him look like someone stole the bikes. Okay, they're gonna go fast, but I'm gonna catch up right now in like a few seconds, so I'm not really worried about it. Right, Duncan?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gonna ride us, right?
No. Fine, I'll buy you coffee. Ooh, that Mustang. Ooh. Woo. Is that your car?
Huh?
Is that your car? Oh, that was a nice car. Is that your car? Is this your car? Damn. Here, wait, let me give you something. Do I have one? Yes. If it's okay with you, can I put the car on YouTube? Here you go. This is where we're gonna be at. Right there. Reasons why take.
It's actually in a music video as well. It's just on it's a Ryan, it's a new rapper. He recorded a music video. The song of it is Hyper, and that's because that's a racing club. Chicago Finals.
Damn. Yeah. This is literally my dream car.
Yeah.
A Mustang, yeah.
But this is a V6. You know, there's like 3 more fastest cars on top of it.
GT 350.
There's the GT, the 350, and the 550.
And then the new one, GT 500.
Yeah, there's another one, the Rocket something.
Oh, Rocket! I never heard about that one.
There's only 2 cars made of the world. So that's 720 horsepower. So it's pretty decent. It's only 2 cars on the wall, so really nice one.
Yeah. Nice car. Okay.
I appreciate that.
Enjoy your day. Damn. I like on our birthdays, we don't ask for presents no more. It's just like,
Yeah, that's why.
money.
No, that's why I asked Jose's mom. Like, I honestly don't need clothes. I just need like money or like something for my birthday. Anything will be appreciated. Come on, hurry up! I'm going full speed. Fudge! I hate you. I hate you so much. I hate you so much.
This, look.
I can't do that.
Right.
No.
It's actually pretty easy.
I'm gonna break it. The YouTube people want to see my basketball skills.
Huh?
Do
Wait, what?
it for a vlog. Do it for a vlog.
Everybody saw that. Everybody saw that.
Do it for a vlog.
I have the power of editing.
Do it for a vlog.
Yeet. He's like this. Oh, fudge. Guys, I made a fudge sundae today. Dang. Wow. Never seen someone airball that much. No! What the heck? How do you make it backwards? What? Gerardo, I'm gonna go near you if you hit me. I can do that too. How you do that? Practice me. Fudge! I told you I could do it. Yes. What? I'm done. Yeah, he did that one hit.
This is my left arm.
Wow, I can make that.
Oh, I hurt my left arm. Professional basketball player.
You're funny. Oh, now
Hey, no, try garbage, try garbage.
Lava!
Hello, try garbage, try garbage.
Oh, you want to play like that? Not play like that.
Hello, try garbage, try garbage.
Girl!
You gotta do it in the vlog. So like, the run right here, all the way over there.
Okay.
Do
You
the
can't
same
do
I
it.
mean, I can do the barrel roll.
But not this.
No, it's over. It's over.
I didn't get on camera, so.
And you're gonna edit it. Because that's what has the editing power. I know Jose can make it.
That's it again, that's it again. One more time.
Garbage!
One
Garbage!
more time.
Wait.
Wow.
What up? Let's do some cinematic rolls. Ready? Dun 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 dun.
Oh!
Hey.
That's it again, one more time, one more time.
No, I said
I can't play basketball.
Nope. And he still didn't make it. But Jose did. He's tripping.
no way.
Alright, so that was the birthday party. I didn't really get to record inside because I didn't want to like invade their privacy or anything. I know he's my friend, but still, I didn't want to expose him, I guess you could say. I'm honestly going to take the long way just so I can ride at night. How is this thing already running out of battery? How about this thing? This thing's running out of battery. They don't charge good. Alright, for you people that have been staying to watch this long, you guys are true fans. Thank you. And also, make sure to leave a comment down below telling me some questions you guys want to know. I'm gonna do another Q&A. Lego, alright? Let's go. So, yeah. Actually, I'm pretty sure I already plugged my Instagram, but just for the sake of me trying to look cool and beautiful, even though I already am, Instagram will be right up here. Check it out. Comment down below. I do a lot of photography. I'm not gonna post any examples because I'm too lazy at editing. And yeah, I'll show you yada yada. I don't know what to say. I'm not really ending the video yet. Just trying to expand it because I'm taking a long ride back home. All right, racing mode. Switch my lights to flashing. All right. Oh my bike legit just switched gears for me. Enjoying your final days, huh, bike? I mean, Andy. This is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys like this type of content. Make sure to comment down below on any type of content you guys would like to see in this channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I do it for the love, yes I do, so you don't care about.
Oh, that's a cat. It scared the hell out of me.